Hey guys, Planet Green Zen, and thank you for coming to my channel. Now, for the people who've never been here, maybe it's been a while since you watched the video, thank you for coming back. What I like to do is just inspire the world in 5 main areas of life, and these areas are mentally, physically, spiritually, financially, and socially. And I truly believe that if we all had a balance, a holistic balance, a yin-yang balance of these areas, we truly will live in a world of peace where we abolish slavery, hunger, famine, war, nuclear weapons, and have more abundance of health and wealth and just be happy in harmony as one human unit. So, if you guys believe in that message, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Go ahead and hit the bell notification so you can get notified when I make new videos. Also, share these videos out for people who you may think need to hear these messages, and comment below and just let me know your thoughts on the different topics that we cover on this channel. So, the next topic is, or today's topic I should say, is how to set up a successful atmosphere. I believe that's key to growth and to be able to prosper as a community or a tribe or whatever you call the people that you hang around and influence. But again, you want to have a positive atmosphere because again, people feed off the energy in the room and what's in that atmosphere. So if it's negative, they're going to become more negative and tired. But if it's positive, happy energy, they're going to be more alive. So again, a couple of quick things for this video, just a few. I mean, there's always more to add, but again, just a few quick ones that you guys can start implementing, taking action route. Now, let's say maybe if you host meetups or if you, again, host a lot of meetings, and you want to keep the atmosphere pretty successful and happy. Again, what you want to do is actually be happy yourself. If you come to a meeting low energy, tired, people are going to feed off of that. So if you always look happy and energized and make eye contact with people and talk directly to people, that actually help the atmosphere. Also, you may want to actually play some music, maybe either continuously or once in a while whenever you talk about something. So whether it's like a soft, nice, vibrant type of music, or maybe some nice beats or songs to kind of get people to kind of wake up and get energized. Also, another way you want to create a good, successful atmosphere is actually have interaction. Because how many of us love sitting in a lecture where the person just talks at us in hours? It feels like we're in there 10 hours, which is probably 30 minutes or an hour, maybe 2 hours, but it feels like 2 days. You're not really listening, you start to doze off, you fall asleep, you're zoning out, you're not paying attention, you're texting on your phone. That's not a good way to actually build a positive atmosphere. So again, you want to have some music in the background, come excited yourself, and also have people participate, have people stand up, maybe talk to people around them, maybe do like a few steps, jumping jack, stretch, get some water. Again, you want to have them interact, maybe stand up and clap their hands to the beat or something and do some type of synchronized dance for 5 seconds. Again, you want to just have a positive, welcoming atmosphere, because if it's dull and dead, people are not going to listen. They're going to not want to come back and hear you talk if you just talk at people and not with them and interact with them. So yeah, also you want to make sure that you have great people in your audience. So if anyone is like disrespectful, or anyone kind of fills off negative energy, just please escort them out, have them leave, have security walk them out, but just keep positive people around each other, and that's a way you can actually start to have a successful atmosphere. And then people will listen more to you. They want to hear what you have to say. And again, it's just a win-win. So again, this is a very quick video. That's how you keep an interactive, happy atmosphere where you have people interact with you. Play maybe some music or play some beats once in a while, just something that's really good or popular to get people, wake them up and make them want to dance, or maybe clap to the beat or something, and they kind of wake up and they want to listen to you more. Or I also have comedy in your atmosphere where you keep people laugh and they're having a good time. So you want to have a combination of those different things in an atmosphere, so people can just, again, be all positive. So I hope that helped out a little bit. Again, it's a quick video on that, but let me know if you're implementing any of those methods into your business or workshops. I would love to hear that in the description below. If not, or if you like these suggestions, let me know as well. And then I will leave you guys with a quote for the day. So this quote comes from, actually I don't know who it comes from. There's no name here, but it says, "Never make fun of someone who mispronounces a word. It means they learned it by reading." Again, I'll say it again. Never make fun of someone who mispronounces a word. It means that they they learned it by reading. And that's powerful, because of the way I interpret that message is, so even though someone said a word incorrectly, again, it doesn't mean they're stupid. It means that they're learning, they're reading, and they're actually educating themselves, versus the person who sits around and collects dust and just stays distracted all day. You respect the person more that maybe they mispronounce a word, but it shows that they're trying and putting an effort towards something. I would love to hear your thoughts on what you think that quote means. Let me know if you agree or disagree. Again, if you like these videos, please like, share, subscribe, comment below, and let me know what you're doing to actually have a positive atmosphere. I would love to hear those thoughts. And again, thank you guys for watching. So if you need any more assistance with manifesting greatness, having the right mindset to do so, please click in the description below. I have a couple of links there, some information for you guys. Put your email in and watch the videos and let me know what you think. Okay, well, Greg with Planet Green Zen. I do hope you guys have a great day.